Hello, and welcome to the VBA Compiler activation tutorial. After downloading the VBA Compiler, you can see in the About box that your product is unregistered and is running in a trial mode. To fix this, you can click on the Order Now button of that same About box. Here you can choose a license that is right for you. After completing your purchase of the VBA Compiler, you should receive an activation key in your email. Download this archived key onto your computer. Open the zip file and extract the key from it. To activate your VBA compiler with this key, open the software and proceed to the About box. Click on the Apply Registration Key button and browse to the extracted key file. Then select the key and click on Open. After restarting the VBA compiler, you can check the About box again to see that it is activated with your purchase license. Thank you for watching this VBA Compiler activation tutorial.